Hi, Michael Bloom, chiropractor. Many people suffer from headaches, and many of the headaches people suffer from are coming from the base of their skull or from their neck. They're the tension type headaches, so it can often feel like your head's in a bit of a vice. So they are a really common cause of headaches, but I'll tell you another common cause of headaches, which is a sinus-based headache. So they can also feel like they're around the eyes and around the cheek. Sometimes we have headaches that are partially from the neck, partially from the sinus. So let me just show you a way that you can work through your own sinus areas at home, in the comfort of your own home, and create some relief from that sinus aspect of your headaches. So it's simply like this. What you do is underneath your eyes, if you can just get in there and just sweep outwards. So an outward sweep through there. You really need to do this 10 times minimum just to start to release some of the pressure through that frontal sinus area. Then the other thing you can do is from the side, just on the corner of your eyes, you sweep downwards. And as you sweep downwards, again, this is also another one of the sinuses that you can really just start to create a little bit of decongestion or loosening up. What may happen if you do these sinus-based movements is you may actually find not only do you have less headaches, but your nose starts to run as your sinuses decongest. So through that way with sweeps, minimum of 10 sweeps, and maybe you're going to need some tissues afterwards because the nose will be running. And remember, these ones across from here. One other thing, you might be feeling like that's really helping, but it's not quite fully doing the job, then the back of your skull. So in through here, just at the base of your skull, you start working through these areas as well. This is not your sinus, but this is another cause of tension-based headaches. Can really start to release some of that persistence with the headaches. So I hope those tips are going to be used by you and that you're going to find a lot of benefit from those. And at the end of the day, headaches suck. No one wants to have them, and these tips are certainly going to help you get over your headaches if you are prone to them. Wherever you are, stay well.